Hi there, my name is Breagha Wolfgang and I'm a bartender at Draffin's and the Blue Room here in Dundee, and today I'm going to show you how to make a citrus old fashioned using Feragaia. So Feragaia is actually Scotland's first alcohol-free spirit. It's made from 14 different botanicals, both taken from the land and the sea. So I'll get started. 60 ml of Feragaia. So it's a really gorgeous amber colour. There we go. So what I really like about Feragaia actually, it's completely different. It's not an alternative to your whiskies, your gins, or anything like that. It is really, a product for people who want to try something new. And for people who don't drink alcohol as well, it's really hard to find a alcohol-free spirit that has a really interesting taste and is actually quite palatable to drink by itself. So next we're going to go with about 12.5 ml of fresh lime juice. So I have some freshly squeezed lime juice here. And then we're going to go with about 10 ml of Demerara sugar syrup. So this is just a 2-to-1 sugar syrup. So this is kind of their twist on an old fashioned. Feragaia is extremely versatile. Has a really gorgeous floral flavour to it, but it's also not overpowering. It's really nice and complex actually. Anyone I've given it to is kind of given me back of a different botanical in the taste. I love using this in a mocktail because it just adds a little bit of an extra kick. So lastly, I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of lemon peel. You do taste about 80% of your drink through the smell in your nose. So you want to have a really gorgeous little lemon peel there. You can top this with soda and makes a really nice Collins drink. If you're lounging it in the sun just now in your back garden, it's really, really enjoyable. So there we go, the citrus old fashioned. Slange.